everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be unboxing one of my birthday gifts, and this one is the one from my husband. I actually got two items from the Louis Vuitton store, but I just decided to unbox them separately so that I can give you the full gist about how why I chose the items that I actually got from Louis Vuitton. Excuse my voice. So before I jump right into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button. I make this kind of video. I make videos about beauty, lifestyle. I vlog sometimes. I make videos about, I actually make some motivational videos as well. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please do not hesitate to hit the thumbs up button as well. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into the unboxing. So yes, this is what my package looks like. I was still able to get the holiday ribbon around my box. The last time I saw this item was when I was in the store. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this Louis Vuitton beautiful pretty box. Ow, it's so hard, but yes, this is it. So it's also, it also has this, excuse me, I'm just gonna set this aside. It also has this dust bag, which I love the fact that it comes with a dust bag too. You know, I've never had any of their wallet. This is their first wallet that I'll be getting, and it comes in a dust bag like this. So if you open the flap, then you see the beauty. Yay! So this is my Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet in the Damier Ebene print, and I told the SA in the store that forever and ever I do not see myself using another print. I don't know why, except if I love an item and they don't have it in Damier Ebene, then I'll probably choose the monogram print, probably. You know, I don't know, because I don't know, this is just, I mean, this is my all-time favorite, and this is what it looks like, guys. So it has the classic excuse me, the classic leather and the gold hardware. Then it has this drawer strap excuse me, in red. So if you were to get it in, it actually comes in several other prints. I can check right for you to let you know how many other prints they have. So it comes in Damier Ebene, which is what I have. It comes in the monogram print. It comes in the Damier Azur canvas, and it comes in the epi leather. It comes in epi leather denim, and yeah, so this just happens to be my own favorite because my bags are exactly this print. So opening it up, it's so easy, y'all. Like, it's so easy to, you know, open and close as you wish. So this is what the interior looks like. I mean, it's just much more than I need. Trust me, it's much more than I need. I'm definitely going to start using this wallet as soon as I'm done with this video. So in this wallet, it has this pocket right here. It has 4 credit card slots on the side. 4 credit card slots on the side. Then it has another inner wallet. I love this. This is one of the reasons why I chose this wallet, because it has this internal the inner coin purse also has the Damier Ebene print. This is one of the reasons why I chose it. Like, I love it. I mean, it would have also been nice if everything was like red, like the traditional way, but then because it has this canvas here, I'm like, ooh, this is super pretty. I tried to pull it out, and you know, just to see if I can actually take it out, but then I found out that it's been attached, which is fine. It's fine, it's okay. I still love it anyway. So it has this coins purse. Then on the other side, it has another open flap right here where you can put your notes or your checkbooks, you know. Then it also has 4 credit card slots on this side as well. So in total it has 8 credit card slots and 2 side pockets and a comp points in the middle, and then this huge spaces right here. So this is what the Clemence wallet looks like. So you can stock it up with your things and, you know, just zip it. It's so easy. I fell in love with this at first sight, so I did not even hesitate to pick it at all. Let me see the price. I cannot remember. So it retailed for $530 US. So yeah, this is my new purse. So I'm going to use it. Like I said, I'm going to start using it now, and I'll use it for as long as I want, because I really don't switch my purses. I only switch my bags. So I have used so many purses and all that, so I will be able to tell if this is a good purse, because I'm gonna be using it a lot lately from now. So after using it for like about, I mean, I'll see how long I can use it. I'll use it for as long as I can, then I'll come back to make a review video about this purse with you guys. It also has the it says Louis Vuitton Paris. So yeah, that is all about this wallet. I am in love, guys. I cannot wait to rock this beauty. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be back again with another video. I will be linking the video to my Louis Vuitton experience, I mean my trip to the store. I'll link the video below. I'm also going to link the video to my as my second unboxing, because like I said, I bought 2 items, but I just decided to unbox them separately so that I don't keep the video for too long. So yes, so this is my first item, and yes, this one is actually my early birthday gift from my husband. So the other one was one that I purchased for myself, and he bought this one for me, although I selected it myself, but he bought it for me. I don't know, it's not like I'm too hard to impress, but he just believes in, I mean, whenever he wants to gift me with anything, he prefers to give me the money or give me a gift card or something, and would like me to go pick what I want by myself, because he thinks I would love it more because I'm picking what I want and what I love, you know. So he just gave me the money and asked me to go pick up the item, and yeah, I picked this up for my husband, from my husband to me, with love, for my birthday. Thank you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.